So make sure the mattress guides are positioned here. This is important because they need to line up with the pockets on the platform cover. Profile the backrest. And the leg section all the way up. So raise it, drop it down until it's clicked 3 times, then raise it back up. To position the platform cover on the platform, you need to find the label that says head end this way up. Position it over the backrest. Locate the mattress guides into the little pockets. And for the leg section, the elastic straps need to go over the platform section. And then again, locate the mattress guides into the pockets. Start to connect the straps. So the end strap, connect and then pull tight. Second strap, just connect, you can't pull it tight. Third strap, connect and pull tight. Fourth strap, connect. Fifth strap, connect and pull tight. The central strap, make sure it goes around the bottom of the platform and connect. Slide the headboard cover over the headboard with a padded section towards the inside of the bed. Attach the 4 clips. And then secure. So if you're using the headboard bumper, find the center of the Velcro for the platform cover and connect it to the Velcro of the headboard cover. That's it. Attach the hook and loop strap on the end of the tube to a non-moving mattress platform section. Secure it in position. It cannot go onto the leg section of the bed. It has to be a section that's not going to move.